So this is Alex, who is helping me out with my video today. Say hello, Alex!
Hello.
Alright, so we're going to walk around Fremantle. Have you been to Fremantle before?
Yes.
Maybe exciting things that may be in Fremantle.
Sure.
Shall we go for a wander?
Sure.
Excellent. Right. That's alright, mate, you know, while we're young, yeah.
Oh, what?
That's right, it's taken about a week and a half to turn right.
That's Perth drivers.
We'll do a whole other video on Perth drivers, I think, to be perfectly honest. Alright, so we're actually heading up the Cappuccino Strip at the moment, which is just over here. And one of the fun things in Fremantle is there's always a backpackers place without fail. So if anyone does want to travel here and has nowhere to stay, you will find somewhere. That's quite hipster. This is new. What's this? So there's always like some souvenir shops as well with some wonderful tack-in. There's a t-shirt shop on the left-hand side over there, which I'm not wearing the t-shirt today, but I have a really lame Perth t-shirt. Yeah. I love it, but if I wear it, people go, "You're overcompensating."
You like Australia too much.
That's it. Like, everyone knows you weren't born here. Don't need to overcompensate anymore.
No.
Yeah. And I find it funny how we live in a no Starbucks town, but yet we've got Subway and 7-Eleven, but we've got no Starbucks.
Subway biscuits are really nice there.
What are your thoughts on the Subway cookies?
I really like them. They're
Yum.
really good. They're really yummy. There's some
What's up, dog? I know it's not real paint, it's foil. It just tears off, but it's pretty cool. And if you have a look, we'll show you now. They've put it on all of the buildings at the moment for the art festival. Always misses when they go to Fremantle, right? It's the Roundhouse.
I've been there.
You have, yeah. I've been there too, which is cool. A lot of people do ignore it, which is quite sad because they'll go straight to the prison and completely ignore this. What I suggest you do is come up on a quiet day, go into the Roundhouse and listen to the stories from the people that are in there. What they'll do, they'll give you a little bit more information, and then it connects to another story which they might tell you in the prison. So they've added some new posts with the signs of, you know, where you are, where you can go, you know, obvious map logic. Sorry, the weather has boiled my brain. But anyway, the great thing is you can never get lost because you're never that far away anyway from anywhere within Fremantle centre. So that's pretty awesome. You can just kind of walk around, and even if you do get yourself lost, you can find something interesting. This is the other side of Bates Beach. Usually pretty quiet, which is quite nice. Here's some artwork. He's literally just going, "Check out my knob." Hello, baby. What are you doing? This is not affiliated with Apple in any way. Oh. Are you ready to experience the fish and chips?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Once more a feeling. Are you ready to...
Yes, I am.
I love your moustache. That was pretty awesome.
Thank you.
They do gelato as well. Yeah. Right, there we go. Right, while in Cicerillo's, I managed to find the most caffeine Kim drink ever, and I had never seen it before. So I'm going to go and drink my Passiona while singing I Sharona.
Sounds fun.
It's going to be awesome. Thanks.